It was super, super, super amazing on stage. I felt really comfortable. The energy is amazing. The prop works. So that's really good. There's a huge tornado going on stage, and I can't wait till you get to see it. Music. The people are super amazing.
We're so happy and glad you're here.
So we are unbelievably grateful.
Our job is to be in service to you now.
How to enjoy every single second of it. Let's go.
You too, man. I'll see you later.
And I can show you all the material you just did in the rehearsal.
I'll keep holding on to you.
Hi! How are you? All good?